My name is Martha. Welcome to my channel.
Flight 527 ready for departure.
Talk about stuff, dying and working out and all kinds of stuff. So if you like talking about stuff or listening to someone else talk about stuff or just general stuff, stay tuned. Okay. I look a hot mess because, let me tell you why. Let me get this a little. So I just got back from San Diego. I have had 4 days, actually 5 days of celebrating my birthday. I just turned 50 yesterday, and I have been able to see friends, a few here and there. Don't worry, I'm not having any big parties or anything. It's been lovely. I was able to go to San Diego and hang out with some friends that are getting married in May, and they were doing a little margarita tasting. I'll just post some pictures so you can see. So there was just a few people there, and we did a little margarita tasting, and that was awesome. So I've been looking for something to be more organized in my bag with my toiletries. Let me show you why. So I have a tendency to find something that works for the time being, and then I realize that I really don't like it. I mean, it works, it's workable, but I don't really love it. So this is what I keep my toiletries in. So it's just like a big conglomeration of everything. Plus I have a few things in here because I have my oil is in a glass container, and I don't want, I want to keep it like a little bit more carefully cushioned. I don't know what words I'm trying to say. Anyway, so I saw these advertised. I don't even know through who or what, but I saw it was a Black woman-owned company, and while they were not cheap, they look super cool. So I decided to try them. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but I thought I'd give you a little review anyway. So here's the little box they come in, and it's really cute. It's like I'm always on the move with my routine, from rock climbing, meetings, the office, partner's place. I needed something that didn't exist. So these things were created, and now I can't remember. They were like, it was like leftover products from some other product, and now I'm blanking on what it was. But let me show you what they look like and how they work. So here's one capsule, and this one I got them labeled, and this one is supplements. So my supplements that I take at night, I don't take a lot, but I do take magnesium and zinc and vitamin D, and they're in this old CVS ibuprofen bottle. Oh, they just screw off. Okay, so it screws off, and they're not huge, so they're not going to fit a ton of stuff, but I don't need, like, for a 3-day trip, I only need 3 to 5 magnesium and 3 vitamin Ds, and then whoop. And then this little thing on the top is the label. It says supplements. I don't know if you can see that, if it's focusing, I can't really tell. But and then the little thing comes off, so you could change it up. Like, I could order different labels if I wanted to get different ones. So the other cool thing, so here's one that says conditioner, so I'm going to put my conditioner in here. Check this out. They magnetize. They're all, so once you get them all, I ordered 6. It's a little cheaper to get the group of 6 than to buy them one at a time. And they all stick together. So look at how lovely and organized that could be. So I'm going to transfer all my stuff into here for my next trip, which starts tomorrow. I have a trip starting. I have overnights in Nashville and San Diego, which I just got back from San Diego. Lucky me. I'm curious about Nashville because they just had that big flood, but we'll see, I guess, when I get there. Don't have any big plans for that. And then San Diego, well, I was going to see my girlfriend, but then we changed things around, and that's why I went on Sunday. And so yeah, I don't know. I might just go sit by the beach or pool or something. I don't know, relax. So I'm going to put my stuff in here and let you know how it goes, how hard it is. And then I want to talk to you about my schedule because I'm not excited. Okay, so here they are. I loaded all 6 of them, and now that I've done it, I want more. I would like one for my eye makeup remover. Maybe a body wash one, so maybe 2 more would be fine. I have my flowery lotion, but I just put like regular lotion in here because sometimes I just want like a little bit of regular, especially like when I go to bed. If I take a shower at night, I don't really want to do like super flowery. This I like to do like when I'm getting ready to go to work or whatever. So now I want at least 2 more. And maybe once I get I'm getting a new skincare regimen, I might want even more. So this is cool. They are a little over a ½ ounce each, so they're not huge. So you're not going to be able to like bring a ton of anything. But how cool is that? They're just so compact, and I'm just imagining like having, you know, just my little organized thing, and they all say like instead of having these random bottles, I'm like, wait, is this shampoo? I don't know. It'd be kind of nice to be actually a little more organized. So anyway, very cool. I will link below to the company, and yeah, Cadence, very cool, woman-owned, black woman-owned company. And it says in here, made in the USA with 1 travel size bottle's worth of plastic collected from beaches around the world. Isn't that rad? So anyway, if you're looking for something to organize your travel stuff, I recommend. So alright, I'm gonna take a moment. I might take a shower, and then I want to come back and tell you guys about my schedule because not happy with the way April's looking. I had high hopes, but yeah, it's kind of poop, so I will be back. BRB. So I wanted to talk about my schedule. I obviously have not gotten, well, not obviously, but I've not gotten transferred to LAX yet. So I put in for that in February or January, must have been February. So I put in for that in February, and I'm really wishing I had done it a long time ago now, but you know, hindsight is 2020, right? So yeah, I've been trying to get transferred to LA. I am still based in Oakland. Last month, or this month, still March right now, I was able to get rid of all my trips in Oakland and then pick up stuff in LA. So as things have been changing and the flight schedules are increasing, and a lot of things are going on, I guess I'm hearing a lot of flight attendants are calling out, and I don't know if that's just because it's the end of the month, end of the quarter, last chance to use your PIN, you know, all the things they say. They've been using all the reserves, so that makes people not really want to pick up reserve shifts. So like people that usually a lot of times will pick up reserve shifts or reserve blocks from people are ones that don't ever intend to actually get called. They pick them up because people put money on them, and then they figure that they won't get called because not too distant past, reserves have not been getting called. So, and putting money on it just basically means I'm asking people to take my reserve block and also offering to pay them to take it, which kind of sucks, you know, but I figure if I'm going to Oakland and I'm gonna have to pay for a hotel, I might as well pay someone to take my block, which hopefully would end up being cheaper than staying in a hotel, and then and all the Ubering and, you know, the extra food and blah, 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 all the things, they add up. So, and then a lot of times, you know, when you are able to pick up, like last minute, people will put money on trips as well. So that was kind of my thinking, if I could pay people to take my reserve blocks, and then I would just grab trips, you know, if people put money on them. I mean, if they don't, then I'll just pick up regular trips, obviously. I could put it in for release, but the only problem with release is you don't necessarily get paid. There is one option that you do get paid for, which I think I mentioned that I did get that for my first block of last month, but they're few and far between. And then also you can't pick up anything on those days. So once you get release, that special release for your block, then you can't put anything else there. Like, you're just basically like out of luck for those days, and then you have to pick up on other days. So I'm kind of trying to avoid that. I really don't want to do that. I might get desperate at the end and see if they offer it, but because they've been using reserves, I highly doubt they're even going to be offering releases. So I still have all my Oakland reserve blocks. And y'all, I keep putting more and more money in. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be broke. But it's a wash because I'm gonna pay for a hotel. So anyway, I still have a week. My first reserve block is not until a week from tomorrow, so next Tuesday. So I'm hoping, praying that maybe at some point someone will break down and, you know, want that extra cash for those reserve blocks, so I don't have to go to Oakland. But if I do, I do. Like, what am I gonna do? Not work my job? No. So it just makes me sad. And the transfer list just came out for May. I didn't get transferred again, but on the bright side, I will have trips in May, most likely. I will have a line, so then that's usually a lot easier to get rid of. So I'll just pop those puppies up in giveaway, and hopefully people will grab them, and then I'll be able to pick up in LA for May, which is especially important. I have a lot going on in May. I will be fully vaccinated, so I can go visit my niece, who was born at the beginning of May last year, and I still have not seen her. And I have the wedding that I mentioned at the beginning that we were doing the margarita tasting for is on Cinco de Mayo. Don't worry, it's a tiny wedding, only 20 people, in a backyard outside. So, and I think that most of the people are going to be vaccinated by then, so it's pretty good. But anyway, so that's what's going on. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to post a little quick hey, and just because I had intended to try to like do a whole like, hey, my birthday happened, but there was just so much, and I just wanted to be present. And but I'll throw up some videos and pictures. Well, you probably already saw them, but anyway, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me for the last 3-4 years, however long I've been doing this. And I'm not going anywhere. My growth is still slow, but I don't really care. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I'm thankful for all of you that subscribed and have been coming back for quite a while. I really started this like seriously about 3 years ago, a little over 3 years ago, when I became a flight attendant. And I know some of you have been there since the beginning. You are the OGs. So if you would give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'm only about 12 subscribers away from 600. I know that's not a ton, but hey, every little bit counts. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But more importantly, I want the thumbs up. The thumbs up really gives like traction, and just kind of like interaction with the page is helpful. Comment, say hello, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.